People with anxiety disorders are often creative and resourceful. Hi, this is Gina. I'm thinking we should put some fun into this thing. The science behind a grounding skill or technique is diverting your brain from ramping up into full symptom mode. Breathing in motion is one way to do it. But first, once upon a time there was a dance known as the cha-cha. It involves rolling hips, two people, and a ton of great music. Cha-cha begat the new cha-cha, and then much later on, the cha-cha boogie. The cha-cha can be applied with a few modifications as a tool for symptom management. For those of you who are hip beat impaired, the rolling hip part has been removed. In fact, you won't need your hips at all unless you want to. Now, for those of you under a certain age, let us establish the basic cha-cha pattern. 1, 2, cha-cha-cha, 1, 2, cha-cha-cha. So, you feel a symptom coming on. You snap your fingers to the cha-cha beat. 1, 2, cha-cha-cha. 1, 2, cha-cha-cha. You can add complexity by revolving your hands in a circle as you snap. Or you could clap to the beat. 1, 2, cha-cha-cha. 1, 2, cha-cha-cha. Or tap your feet to the beat. 1, 2, cha-cha-cha. 1, 2, cha-cha-cha. Or if you're home in your jammies, then let loose with a good dose of hip rolling and 1, 2, cha-cha-cha. 1, 2, cha-cha-cha. It's a skill and you'll need to practice to help you regain a sense of control when you come out of it. Give it a try. There's more stuff about anxiety, panic attacks, and phobia treatments over at the resource page at anxietyroadpodcast.blogspot.com, where we look at the involuntary journey finding medical, behavioral health, meditation, relaxation, and X equals the unknown treatment options and resources for people that have anxiety, panic attacks, and phobias too.